Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're making a easy peasy sharp cheddar cheese bacon Chaffles sandwich. Episode number 69. It's a pretty simple recipe. 1 cup of chopped cheddar cheese or any cheese of your choice, 1 egg, no spices in this particular recipe. Just gonna mix it all up, get our little mini dash going, put a little bit of cooking spray on both sides of the mini dash. And to make the bacon, what we did was we ended up buying a pre-made bacon that was already pre-cooked from Oscar Mayer. Got a really good price on it, and first time I had that brand already pre-cooked. And I figured, well, if we're going to stop eating a lot of bacon and doing a lot more of these Chaffles for you guys, the bacon is really the way to go. That's already pre-cooked. I did warm it up in the microwave, but you can eat it cold, plain the way it is, and it's fine. Either way is good, but it is fully cooked bacon. And this is the first Chaffle that I made. You can see it was nice, good color on it. And if you want it a little more crunchier there, you can just add a little more cheese on it and leave it cook a little while longer. And then you can see underneath this dash, yeah, a little bit spilled over. But I mean, that's normal for these little dash. And they do make one that has 4 that you can put it together that way without the mess, because it has a little drip tray at the bottom of the Chaffle, or a bigger Chaffle maker. Boy, I had a hard time getting that out. And then the second one here is just about all done. And coming up on the next segment over here as we push on there, this is the bacon that I was referring to about. It's already pre-cooked bacon, and I paid $5.99 for it. It's about a pound of bacon. And just load it up, and you got your nice little Chaffle sandwich with bacon and no eggy mess and no eggy taste. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. Have a great day.